the money, they will give the give the any goods, goods and GWDS. Give the something, he will give you. These types of prem is called business love. Or second, if you love or not love, they love to you. That is called parents love. Understand? Parents, they love their children because they are the responsibilities. Understand or not? Or third, you love or not love, they don't love to anyone. So these types of people, four categories. And say you love or don't love, they don't love anyone. That is called four types of there. That is called Atmaram, Aptakam, Gurudrohi, Aparadhi or Akritagya. So this is it. Atmaram Purush means one who absorbed with Atma, means Brahma. So if you love to the prem, you cannot get any reciprocal. Reciprocal and not get back any things from him. As like the example of Sukadeva Goswami Pad. And first he told, Parinishthito Brahmane Osmin. First I absorb with Brahma. And when I ran towards the forest, then behind my father and was crying for me, but I did not turn my face towards him.
Translation. In Facebook.
You understand or not? These are the things. So, example, this is the things. Then Aptakam is one who all his desires completely satisfied. That is the example of Janak Maharaj. So Janak Maharaj, this is the one of the things. Sukadeva Goswami and Janak Maharaj different is what? Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he did not see any gross things because his mind absorbed with Brahma. Janak Maharaj, Aptakam Purush, but he is staying with his families. But his mind is not attached to anyone. The difference, Atmaram, Aptakam, difference is there. You understand? Atmaram Purush, they are not looking to anyone, anything, because their mind always concentrated with Brahma. Aptakam, completely self-satisfied person, he is staying with his families, but he is not attached. This is the difference. Or Atmaram Aptakam, Gurudrohi Aparadhi. This is very important. Those who are Gurudrohi criticize to Guru. Govidya asked this question. Criticize to Guru. That is called Gurudrohi. If you meet with the Gurudrohi person, also you will not get any fruits. Guru chari Govinda bhaje, sei papi narake maje. One who gives up Guru and do bhajan sadhana get not any fruits also. Millions bar to do bhajan and sadhana, you cannot get any fruits. So Shastra saying never criticize Guru. So saying this is very important. Gurudrohi Aparadhi, same because they are offenders, Aparadhi. Or fourth, Akritagya. Akritagya is ungrateful person. That's it. Someone very poor, one person is very poor. That time someone helped to him, and when he grew up and got lot of wealth of money, that they things. Then that person told, okay, and you help to me. Then she goes, no, I don't want to. But when you were very small, that time I helped you. That means, oh, this is your duty, you did. So that is called akritagya. This is the thing. So that example I gave. What is the example? The lion and the barber. You remember or not?
Yes.
The lion and the barber. This is. You did not listen. Lion and the barber. One barber, he was the very near and dearest of the king. King also loved the barber as like his son. Because king nourishment that the barber from his childhood. Then one day that barber, he committed some offense. So all his minister advised to king, you have to give punishment to this barber, death penalty. King told, how possible I give my death penalty to my son? He is as like my son. Look at this. So finally the minister advised to him, okay, put him in the lion cage. Then they put him in the lion cage. But when the barber entered the lion cage, lion did not attack him and did not kill him, nothing. Just taking smell from his body. The lion sitting in there. After 3-4 hours, lion did not kill him. Then king ordered he have to come out from the cage. Understand? When barber came out from the lion cage, then everybody asked to him, why this lion did not kill you? And just taking smell from your body. Then barber he told, actually few days before I went in the jungle, then I saw one lion, his paws, understand? Wounded and so much blood coming. And he was flipping and he is doing this. Then I went and I saw some thorns in the paws of the lion and so much blood coming, lion cannot and walk, nothing there. So I took out all the thorns from his paws. Then I bandage and give some medicine, herbs. Then lion smell my body and lion enter in the forest. Our same lion now is inside the cage. So when lion came and smell my body, this is lion realized, oh, this person, he also had saved my life. Understand? This lion is thinking, oh, this person saved my life. So I should not kill him. Because the barber, he helped to the lion. So lion now think I will not kill. This is called kritagata. Kritagata is gratefulness. Human beings means gratefulness. So now, so for this regard, Gopi, they asked the Krishnas, you will discuss about prem, but what kinds of prem is that? So you are belongs to which category? And another also, they say how many types of prem now? 7. One is called hetu prem, another is called ahetu prem. Hetu means with cause. In this material world, all kinds of love, full of hetu. Condition is there. Without cause, you cannot love to anyone. Understand? The birds, they love the forest. When the forest full of green fruit, green leaves, the green leaves there, the birds are living here, and they also build the nest, fruits, and the same forest burned with the fire. Them birds, they leave this place. Understand? Gopis, they gave many examples to this way. You read Bhagavatam giving this, or read Brahma Gita. So all these the example he did. Even the students, they love their teacher until getting the certificate. Or when get the certificate, then love finish. All you are same category or not? Could you remember your teachers, professor in this? Nothing.
Not even the name.
And even also forget the name also. Understand? No image coming in your mind also. This is true or wrong?
Some we remember, some special ones.
Some is this is not the example, or the example is giving this way. No contract, nothing. Look at this.
Last time you speak with them.
So for this regard, this Gopi, they asked these things. So one is called Hetu Prem, another is called Ahetu Prem also. So maybe your question, Ahetu Prem, without reason, that is Prem. Because that is also, where is no reason, there is some things also negative and the positive coming. You understand? First coming positive, then negative coming. This is the what is called logical terms. I love you. Or then you saying I don't love you. So that means before I love you, now I don't love. But don't love, this word is not coming. You understand or not? Every negative words coming from the positive. If not positive, negative not coming. And father not
It's not home.
not at home. Then father before he was now this time. You understand? Little bit, this is called logical terms. In logic, understand?
Yes.
When logical terms, this is the thing. You cannot do no one here. You have before someone here, now no one here. One boy, one person, he came someone house, asked, where is your father? Father is in your house? That's why my father told me, yeah, I am not in here. You understand? What did he say? Fala Portuguese.
Só o finalzinho, você fala agora do pai, pelo amor de Deus.
Because that small boy is very simple. So that means Hetu, Ahetu, this frame also coming from reason to coming this way. So gopis, they asked to Krishna, so you are belongs to which kinds of categories of prem? Understand? Gopi did not say you are the Gurudrahi Aparadhi, but which category are you? You understand? Gopis, they make many categories of prema. So Krishna also told, I am not belongs to any kinds of these categories. Understand? My love with you, that is called here eternal and transcendental. That is called Sahaja Prem. Sahaj means is spontaneous, and that is coming from the inner court of heart. Because gopis, they are the internal potency of Krishna. Krishna Antaranga Shakti. So for this regard, Krishna so told, your prem with me, that is eternal and transcendental. Krishna told these things. I am not belongs to anybody. In this material world, love. What is the love? Huh? That is the love, that is the lust. All this is what is not love. Love this word use need two things. One is called Visay, another is called Asray. Object of the divine love or shelter of the divine love. Try to understand this philosophy. Krishna is only the object of the divine love. Understand? Understand the philosophy. If you not understand philosophy, then all your sadhana bhajan is useless. Only Krishna is called Visay Vigraha. All the living entities, they are called what? Asray Vigraha. When Asray and Visay meeting together, then Prem manifest. You understand? So one jiva, another jiva meeting together, that is not the love. Understand or not?
Yes.
Who understand? Pala, what did he say?
When one jiva, another jiva, they meet, they both are Asray, not Vishay and Ansharai, so they cannot.
You are right. And Asray Tattva cannot create the Prem. So need Asray and Visay, or Visay and Asray. So Krishna only he is called Visay Vigraha, object of the divine love. Visay Vigraha Krishna. Except Krishna, everybody is what? Asray Tattva. Even Srimati, Radhika, Gopis, all they are called is what? Asray Tattva. So when Asray and Visay meeting together, Prem creates. And we are saying, I love you. But when you deeply analyze, actually, you don't love to anyone. You love to Krishna. So Bible very clearly, this philosophy also good. God, what is called? God is love, love is God. God is the embodiment of divine love. Premamay Bhagavan. Lord is the embodiment of love. Visay Vigraha Bhagavan. One living entity, another living entities meeting together, that is not the love. Because both are is called Asray Tattva. You understand? This philosophy very understand clearly. Then you will develop. Then you understand Radha Tattva, Prema Tattva.
And the relationship between disciple and guru is this prema.
That is not the prem. We are saying prem. Disciple, guru, the comedy just the come in form asakti. Asakti ka saying this way. Prem is not coming. I love my guru. This is the using this word. I love my guru. Actually, this word is not perfect. I love my guru. And guru also asay tattva. Our disciple also asay tattva. So where the love is coming? So coming is love is the before love. That is called asakti. You can attach, what is called? Asakti with guru. Deep attachment with that. For this regard, Vishwanath Chakravarti Madhurya Kadambini say, what is called? When sadhak will come in the stage of asakti, that time two things is coming. What is the symptom of asakti? Pala? So, bhul gaye. Bhajane ruchi bhajaniya asakti. What did he say? Bhajane ruchi. When sadhak will come in the stage of asakti, that bhajane ruchi. Bhajane ruchi means he has so much taste will come. His bhajan. Bhajan means chanting, holiness, remembering pastime Krishna. That is called bhajane ruchi. Ruchi means taste will come. Bhajane ruchi. Or bhajaniya asakti. Bhajane is worshipful deity is what? Asakti, deep attachment will come. First deep attachment will come with Guru. Or same attachment going towards Radha and Krishna or Ishtadev. Eh? If you have no attachment with Guru, how possible direct go to the Radha Krishna? Not going. You understand or not? Read carefully, read everything, Madhurya Kadambini Grantha. They are written in there. Bhajane Ruchi or Bhajaniya Asakti. What did he say, Phala? Bhajane Ruchi. Same times will come. Eh? One who comes in the stage of Asakti, that thing will come. Eh? This is the thing. Eh? When sadhu come in the stage of bhav dasa, actually bhav, that is called the first stage of prema. So when sadhu will come the stage of bhav dasa, that time that things just going towards Radha and Krishna. You can asakti, deep attachment with Guru, but the prem not coming. If the prem is coming, so you attain your perfection goal. Prem is what? Our ultimate goal. Prem prayojan. But when sadhu will come to the stage of prem, that time symptom is what? Evam brata sapurya nama kritva jatanu ragu dhrititya uchchoi hasati adho rodoti rodoti ganurmadvat nrittati lokavaj. This is the symptom of prem. This is that. Sometimes crying, sometimes rolling on the ground. These things. As like our Goswamis. He Radhe Vadvija Lalite He Nanda Suno Kuta Sri Govardhana Kalpapad Vatale Kalindi Vanne Kuta Gosanta Biti Sarvato Bhajabure Khedari Mahavyallo Vande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Sri Jiva Gopalako. Sometimes they crying. Sometimes they rolling on the ground, sometimes laughing. Why? Because that types of lila manifest in their heart. Sometimes viraha lila and sometimes meeting lila. Separation lila, sometimes milan lila. So when meeting lila coming, then they laughing. Or when separation lila manifest in their heart, that time they crying. So he saying, He Radhe Vrajya Lalite He Nanda Suno Kuta Sri Govardhana Kalpa Pad Vatali Kalindi Vanne Kuta Gosanta Biti Sarvato Vrajapuri Khedari Mahavyallo Bande Rupa Sanatano Rahujugo Srijiva Gopal. So try to understand this. Prem not, and Prem cannot tolerate this body also. And Prem manifested one's heart, soon he will be leave his body. If you want to give up your body, so come in Prema Dasa. Who will give up his body? Raise one hand. No need to commit suicide. Very Prem cannot tolerate this body also.
This body cannot tolerate prem.
This body cannot tolerate this prem. Let's give you an example. As the milk of the tiger. This thing. So that time, when you get this body, which body you will get? That is called transient body you will get. Otherwise not possible. Those are Nitya Siddha Parikar, they can possible. Those are eternal associates of Lord. And this is the process of. So in actual our question is what?
Why Gopis?
So Gopis asked to the Krishna, say, you are belongs to which category of the prem? Krishna told, I am not belongs to anyone. I am not my prem with you, not the business prem. Understand? Or second, my prem with you, not also parental prems. Parental prems are not. Or third, I am not Atvaram, Aptakam, Gurudrohi or aparad. Akritagya. Why? Because I have Atmaram. Why again I come here? In Rasala, many slokas also Sukadeva Goswami Pad, what is it called? Mention these slokas also. And Atma Ramo Opi or Ramat. And Krishna is Bhagavan. So for this regard he is Atmaram. But though he is Atmaram and he also performed Rasala with the gopis. Because this is what is called? Who is Bhagavan at a time staying to opposite and what's that thing? He is Atmaram and also no, he is performed all kinds of activities with the gopis. Viruddha Dharmasra is there. Viruddha Dharma, which is opposite words. These opposite words also inside the Krishna. Inside Krishna or not? Just giving only example. He knows everything and simultaneously he completely innocent. He don't know anything. So two words opposite staying together. Because he is Bhagavan. This is called inconceivable. Achinta Sakti is there. You understand? Not understand. What do you understand? Sarvagata, Mugdhata, all opposite words remains in Krishna. And you knows everything or simultaneously don't know anything, it is impossible. But who is Bhagavan? He knows. What will say? Even Lakshman he don't know. When Sita Devi kidnapped, understand? By Ravana. Lakshman he did not know. Lakshman is thinking the same Sita with the consort of Ram, Ravan kidnapped that Sita. But Ramchandra he knows everything. Ramchandra is Bhagavan. You understand or not? So when Ramchandra he killed Ravana, then Vibhishan returned back to Sita Devi, to Ramchandra. Then Ramchandra told to Lakshman, I want to test the Sita Devi is chaste lady or not. Then Lakshman become very angry. You understand? Lakshman become very angry. Ramayana Katha is there. Then Ramchandra told you also prepare one, what is it called? Fire sacrifice ceremony. There is Agni Kunda. And Sita Devi, she have to enter in the fire. And so I take test. She is chaste lady or not? Who is entering the fire? Anyone? Any lady? No. Any gents? Look this. Then Lakshman become very angry with Ramchandra. Lakshman he told Sita Devi, she is like my mother. Understand? So how possible Sita Devi, you are thinking she is unchaste. How you think it is? Then Ramchandra told, actually I want to take back my real Sita, original Sita. So that means this Sita is not real. Then Ramchandra told, no, this is not a real Sita. So where is my real Sita? Where is the real Sita? Now real Sita in Kailas with Parvati, Shiv Parvati is there. That means when Ravan came to kidnap Sita Devi, then original Sita with the consort of Ram, Sita Devi she entered in the fire, and with the fire she went to Kailas and staying with Shiv Parvati. This katha is there. Brahma Vaivarta Puran, different Puranas very clearly explain this way. And Kurma Puran, different Puranas is there. So that means Lakshman he did not know this is real Sita or original Sita. Real Sita or Chaya Sita. So what will say to others? Huh? We are thinking we know everything. Everyone say, oh, Gurudev, you know everything. Hey! You understand or not? Huh? Guru's not duty. So what you are doing and thinking your and pastimes. Guru is not duty to remember your pastimes. Disciple, meditate disciple pastime. Sometimes they are saying like that. Oh Gurudev, you know my everything. What will they understand? Huh? I will remember to Krishna, I will remember to your pastimes. Radha Krishna pastimes or Sister Leela pastimes. Sister Ashtakaliya Leela. Now write one book. Sister Ashtakaliya Leela. Radha Krishna Ashtakaliya Leela. Now, what do you write? You write one book. Sister Ashtakaliya Leela. Book, nice book. Radha Krishna Ashtakaliya Leela book. So everybody write, everybody know about Radha Krishna Ashtakaliya Leela. But now we will write Sister Ashtakaliya Leela. Pagal. Huh? Understand?
I'm more close to you than your own peace.
That's another thing. Huh? That is the another thing she is speaking there. That means not the sister what he is doing. Eh? So Gurudev is remember 1,000 disciples. So what disciple is doing, they are thinking. Eh? Which disciple eating, sleeping, going to the ocean. Who is swimming in the ocean? Now any disciple swimming in the ocean. So Guru what duty is that? My disciple is the ocean and drowning in the water. But doing that many stupid nonsense rascal. This is not duty. So try to understand this. Krishna Bhagavan, who is Bhagavan, there are two things is there. That is called Sarvagata, Mugdata, all opposite words is there at a time. You understand or not? If he knows everything, how possible to do Leela? Leela means this way. Bhagaso Krishna Bhagavat Leela. This is going on this. So now coming in this way, so Krishna told to the gopis, I am not belongs to these types of categories of prem. So what the prem? So Krishna told, no parayang nirvaddang sojujam sasadu krita vivudu sapiva jama durja griya sinkhala sangrishya pratijatu sadhuna. Gopi preme apunake kahe reni. Krishna told, hey gopis, I completely indebted your prem, love. Because you gave up everything for me. Gopi, they gave up everything for Krishna or not? Yes. This is the way. So saying, no parayang nirbaddam samjujang sasadu krita vivadhahu sapiva jama durja griya shrinkhala sangrishya pratijatu sadhuna. This is the process. Look how Gita, what is saying? Je jathamang pravadante stang tatham bhajamam. Balance. Business prem. Gita, this prem is called business prem. Je jathamang stang tathiva. According to your surrender, I accept you. Business prem or not? But in Gopi prem, complete. Gopi prem apana ke kahe rini. Krishna told, I cannot repay your divine love. This is the main thing. So Srimad Bhagavatam gives this statement. But the highest prem. And is the thing. Understand or not? Yeah.
Yesterday you explained that Shukadeva Goswami is perfect disciple of Atmaram Guru. So he never feels love and affection to anyone. But I'm interested in which relationship between Shukadeva Goswami and Parikshit Maharaj. They were like guru and disciple. Like what was there? Did he have some affection to Parikshit Maharaj?
Who is Parikshit Maharaj? Or who is Sukadeva Goswami Pad? Sukadeva Goswami Pad, Sukadeva Goswami Pad, actual is the parrot of Srimati Radhika, Sriya Sukam. And that's doing this lila. Or Parikshit Maharaj, Gopi Bhava Prapta. Parikshit Maharaj, actually, is originally his word. He is the one Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Sanatana Goswami Pad, Virat Bhagavatam Mritam, explain this way. Gopi Bhava Prapta. Sukadeva Goswami Pad is not Gopi. Because Sukadeva Goswami Pad, his origin form is what? Parrot of Srimati Radhika. Sriya Sukam. Because another sloka also explain this way. Why everybody want to listen Bhagavad Katha from the mouth of Sukadeva Goswami? Actual Vyas Parasa Rishi, they realize now he look like as like Brahmachari, negative Brahmachari. But actually his origin form is what? Very near this and parrot of Srimati Radhika. Understand? But what happened to the parrot? Srimati Radhika, many parrots also there. So what the speciality of Sukadeva is the parrot of Srimati Radhika. Actually this is what he is saying. Srimati Radhika wants, she also nourishment the baby parrot. Very small baby parrot. Then Srimati Radhika, she also embracing and kissing that the baby parrot. Understand? Kissing the baby parrot. The baby parrot also kissed Srimati Radhika's lips. And that Amrit, Srimati Radhika's Amrit, Amrit understand? Nectar. That parrot got. So one who received the Srimati Radhika's Amrit, lotus Amrit. Parrot. So when we speak, that is perfect. So for this regard, everybody want to listen Bhagavad Katha from the lotus leaves of Sukadeva Goswami. And Purana is saying this way. And Ekodasya Sukha and Radha, or they just forget it for the sloka. That Sukha Chunchuke. Otherwise, Hapas. Vyasdevi were there. When Sukadeva Goswami Pad spoke Harikatha, that time Vyas Parasa Rishi, all the high class sadhus, they are there. Why everybody got to listen Harikatha from the mouth of Sukadeva Goswami? He is a brahmachari or a renounced person? Not. They realized. Oh, he is Sukha, Srimati Radhika's parrots, and he also drink the sweet nectar from the mouth of Srimati Radhika. This is the sloka is there. So this is the question. So now question yours is Sukadeva Goswami, actually Sukadeva Goswami is the parrot of Srimati Radhika. This is true. Or Parikshit Maharaj? Gopi. Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. So who is higher? Parrot or Sakhi? Which one? Sakhi. Simple. So this is that.
But Shukadeva Goswami seems like sometimes he feel some gopis mood. Like sometimes he.
Gopi's mood is absorbed. And anybody can absorb, that is a temporary. Originally gopi are absorb someone, that is another thing. Now you sometimes absorb. Then after a few minutes, then you forget. So that means you are not gopi.
Sanchari Bhavs?
They are coming and going this way. But original form is that is there. Eh? Those who are Siddha Mahatma, they can see that your Sarup. What is your Sarup? They can see. This is the process of. But when you see your Sarup, when your heart will neat and clean, and if the what is called anartha dust cannot see, so remove the anarthas, unwanted things. And so iron can what is called attract what is called
Magnet attracts.
magnet attack the iron, but that iron covered with the dust.
Rust.
Rust. Rust. So magnet cannot attract. It's simple. When your heart will neat and clean, then can see. This is true or wrong? If your heart is full of covered with, how to see? Clean. So far they are saying, Mahaprabhu what is saying? Cheto darpana marjanam, bhava maha davi nirvapanam, Sreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam, Vidya Vadhu Jivanam, Anandam Mudhi Vardhanam, Pratipadam, Purnamita Sarva Atma Sanapanam, Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtan. Nam Sankirtan. Rendering, chanting holy names. Then your heart will be neat and clean. Understand? This is the process also. Without chanting holy names, your heart will be never neat and clean. Naam Sankirtan. Kalikale naam bina nahi ar dharma. Sarva shastre ei sar marma. The essence of all shastra, naam Sankirtan. Kalikale naam bina nahi ar dharma. Sarva shastre ei sar marma. Naam Sankirtan. When you more and more chanting holy names, then your heart will be neat and clean. Then you can see. This is the process of. So far they are saying this. This is called the Siddha Pranali. Siddha, the perfect process. How to attain your perfection goal. Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Mritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav and Prem. This is the process or no? This is called Siddha Pranali. Understand?
You said that Guru is not meditating on Shishya.
Shishya's Leela.
But sometimes disciples they have some material problems or material attachments, and they are shy to speak to Guru because they consider that Guru knows everything and they won't bring their problems to Guru. But how will they get rid of this bad habits or attachments? Should they bring this kind of questions, problems to Guru or to senior devotees? How to deal with
his disciple have to express in front of Guru. Ye Gurudev, this is my problem. Kandiya janaiva nija dukkha gram sangsar anala hoite magiva visram. I pray my Guru. I pray to Guru and express my heart. Gopinath mamani vedano suna hami visai durjana sada kamarata kichu nahi moro gun. If you say Gopinath, he knows, so no need to pray. But here Bhaktivinoda Thakur was saying, Gopinath mama nivedana suna Ami bisai durjana sada kamarata kichu nahi moro gun. Many songs, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, many songs he is saying this. Kandiya kandiya janaibo nija dukkha gram sangsar analo hoite magiva visram. I will cry and pray to Guru and Krishna. Then you will listen. And this is the process also. And if you not express heart, how to say, okay, what you are doing? Now Guru's duty is that what Shishya is stupid doing nonsense, rascal. You remember this thing. And sometimes they can do, but this is very rare. I say no need. Understand or not?
But you also say that the Guru's duty is to spiritual process. So you mean that devotee should express directly to Guru, or it means he should pray to Guru?
Pray to Guru.
Pray, not directly.
Direct also can ask, Gurudev, this is my problem. What to do?
But how to reconcile this? Because many come to you to speak about material things. And what's the purpose of this?
How to deal with this situation?
Which one?
Material subject problems. Bringing this to Guru, to senior devotees, or how to, or praying at home over there. Please listen to my prayer. How?
Are the material things? Material thing. You are saying this. You are the cause of your problem. You should solve your problem. Who is the cause of your problem? So you should do. I did not tell you marry. You married, then your problem coming. You produce your children. You think, Gurudev, how to do my daughter? I cannot arrange my marriage ceremony. Daughter, you give money. Gurudev give this money to you. Gurudev not give. There are thousand disciples. Every day, Gurudev, give me money for the marriage ceremony of my daughter. So Gurudev, all property will go. Because everybody wants or not. So Guru's is not the duty. You create problem, you solve your problem. Guru's duty, like Gurudev one lecture, I can help your spirituality. How do you do bhajan, sadhana, how do you do it? I did not say you jump to the fire. You jump to the fire, you go out from the fire. Why did you jump to the fire? Tell me. Chant holy names, then come out. Guru not give the, what is called? The material things. So what is the meaning of Guru and materialistic person Guru? Today Gurudev, my business is not going, so give some money for my business. Then you lost. Then Gurudev give more money. So Guru's duty is this way, to help your business. Nowadays many people are also doing this. Stupid nonsense. Guru's duty help to your spiritual. How to develop your sadhana, bhajan, this. Otherwise you are there. They karti. Many also Sahaja, Sokhi, Veki, they are doing this way. Helping, Guru is helping your spirituality. Come Hari Katha. If you say, okay, I have no money to come, okay, I give money to you. Come Hari Katha. Because this money is giving for Hari Katha, helping to spirituality. You understand? But if you have Gurudev, I want to go Switzerland to enjoy things, what is called? Sense gratification, give me money. Gurudev will give or not? No. Why not? But Guru maybe will say, okay, Guru say, go, I am very poor, I have nothing. So I want to come, Harikatha, Navadip, then okay, I am helping. This is another thing. That is good.
Not material.
Not material. Helping both. What is helping? If saying, oh, I have no money to not to go to Navadip Parikrama, nothing, my life is poor. Okay, I can help you. There is another thing. That is spirituality. After Gurudev, I want to go where? Sugarland, Switzerland. I have no money, so I go, you give me money. So Gurudev give or not? Why not? When the spiritual will come, give. Take test this way. This is true also. Okay, our tour is going with the Gurudev, I have no money. Okay, say, okay, come. Free, chalo. You say, oh, I am coming in with this parikrama, I have no money. Okay, no need to pay. Okay, just you physically some help. Good or not?
Yes.
So this is good also. So Guru's duty is that helping your spirituality, not the mundane thing. You understand this way? This way. Otherwise everybody will say, I will marry Gurudev, give money. Then the son's daughter coming, Gurudev, I cannot maintain my children. You give money, Gurudev. Pagal. You, so always saying this way, you create your problems, you solve your problems. This is the thing. Chant holy name, do bhajan in silence. So saying there, Kandiya Kandiya Janaibo Nijidukko Gram Sangsar Anal Hoite Magibo. So that's saying Sangsar Anal. How to deliver from this fire of material. Sangsar Anal. He will help you. Understand? This is the thing. So this is the process.
You thought that if we don't have Guru Nishtha, all effort, all endeavors are useful. So
Guru Nishtha,
if we not,
you have no Guru Nishtha.
Yeah,
all your endeavors are useless.
But so what is the best endeavor to get Guru Nishtha?
What is the best Guru?
How to get Guru Nishtha?
I first do one pointed with the Guru. What Gurudev is saying, I have to follow his instruction. What Gurudev is saying, I have to follow his instruction. This is very important. If no Guru Nishtha, what is the bhakti?
But without Guru Nishtha, how to be one-pointed? Without Guru Nishtha, so Arup first.
First to imposing Arup. And so bhakti is 3 stages. First stage is called Arup Siddha Bhakti. Then Sangha Siddha Bhakti. Then Sarup Siddha Bhakti. And Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu explain this way. In the beginning you cannot complete Guru Nishtha. So impose. Spontaneous not coming. This is the process also. So Guru Nishtha, Guru Bhakti, this is the backbone of sadhana bhajan. Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami, most of the lecture, many times he also repeat the same word. What is he saying? Guru Nishtha, Guru Bhakti, that is called backbone of our sadhana bhajan. Not Guru Nishtha, what will do? Going here and there. This is the thing. And if you not strong backbone, read. You cannot sit proper way. You cannot proper way walk also. Old man. He is also backbone. What is it called? Ben. Ostavakta, this is another term. So Guru Nishtha, Guru Bhakti, that is called the backbone of bhajan. One life, do and die. Karenge or marenge. Do or die. What is that? One life of one Pandit Guru follow. What Gurudev is saying, I have to follow. This is the thing. Gurudev, what is saying? You follow the instruction. So this is very important. Otherwise, it is less. Huh?
So you are saying about the disciple has many business. I live in this place, that place. When the matter is material, the disciple can take your own decision. Don't bring this problem to Guru. I want to do this business or move it to this place, live in that place. The disciple should not bring this kind of question to Guru. The disciple can take his own decision about his material life. Only bring the matters.
Listen to this. Sometimes that is called, when that is called, Guru is very kind. He just externally makes the friendship with you. Actually, this is the external. Sometimes Gurudev, I want to build one temple, build one house. This is what the Loki Sadbandhu Priti. Then Gurudev, okay, you will do this. This is the external, that is not the spiritual. This is what the Loki Sadbandhu Priti. Understand? These are the things. Sometimes Guru acting the role as like your friend. These are the things. Actually, this is not spirituality. Otherwise, a disciple will be hopeless and helpless. Understand? Sometimes Guru doing this. But this is not the spirituality. And to encouragement in the heart of his disciple, these are the things. Okay, I do this. Understand? So these are the things. Some is for this katha also explained in Srimad Bhagavatam. When Krishna departed from this material world, then Uddhava, he met with, what is his name? Vidura. Vidur Maitreya. That time Uddhava, he was crying and crying. So when Krishna, he was staying with us, that time I was thinking, he is an ordinary person. Actually now we realized, he is Swayam Bhagavan. If you read Srimad Bhagavatam 3rd canto, they are giving this example in this way. As like fish and moon. Moon is here in the sky, and the reflection on the water. So fish, those who are living in the water, fish is thinking this reflection of moon look like and our same fish. So when the water, what is called? Moving, then that the reflection also moving. Actually moon not moving, nothing. The reflection is moving. That time fish is thinking, oh, he is playing with us. Then fish also are and playing with the, he thinking same thing. So in the same way, Guru and Bhagavan doing this lila after this way. Giving love and affection with the disciples, how to develop their spiritual life and create their, what is called, Shraddha and faith, for them to do this way. Most of the Goswamis, they are called Bhajananandi. Bhajananandi, understand? They are absorbed in the bhajan, who is coming, who is not coming, they don't care. If anybody will come speak Harikatha, nothing. They are writing Grantha, remembering pastimes of Krishna. Krishna Kirtana Gana Nartana Paru Prema Mritambo Nidhi Dhira Dhirajana Priya Priya Karu Nirmatsaru. In this way. They are chanting holy name, do bhajan, who is coming, who is not coming. This is not. But Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he established Goshthanandi. Why you have come here? What is the religion? Why am I with you? If you do bhajan and sadhana alone, no problem. Understand? So Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he established which bhajan? Goshthanandi. He is doing bhajan and also helping to the other. You are coming here, Harikatha, this. Understand? They are saying, oh, everybody come, Harikatha. Understand? If not coming, also chastise. Hey, why do not come, Harikatha? Barabar Goswami, they will ask or not? Then who is coming? Chalo. Just Narottam Das Thakur, he also gave water to the Brajavasi. Then Loknath Das Goswami, well, get out here. No need to. This katha is not. So, but we are saying, okay, come Harikatha, take Mahaprasad. Understand? Giving love and affection to this. But stupid nonsense disciple also, they also don't receive Guru's love and affection. If you stay in Gaur Das Babaji Maharaj, you do bhajan and sadhana or not? Phala. One day you cannot stay with Gaur Das Babaji Maharaj.
Few hours.
Few hours you cannot stay also. If you say your any faults, kick out. Get out here. One person came in front of Gaur Das Babaji Maharaj. After his marriage ceremony, Gurudev Gaur Das Babaji, he told, Gaur Das Babaji Maharaj is blessing my new wife. Understand? And I brought Krishna Dasi. You brought Krishna Dasi. Hey, from today you should not associate with her. You every day worship his lotus feet. This is my blessing. You understand? One person came, Gaur Das Babaji give blessing to me. You want to blessing from me? Okay, yes. Hey, take Gaur Govind. That means you take sannyas. So what is my blessing? If I say to you, come here or not? No. Sometimes speaking a very nice story that is. One Krishna and Narad Rishi disguised the form of Guru and disciple. Krishna as like Guru and Narad Rishi as like disciple. Both they coming in one place, one rich person. The rich person become very angry. Hey, Sadhu, why you have come here? Get out here. Kicked out. Then Krishna told, now Guru, Krishna told, okay, you will get lot of wealth of money. Okay. Then coming another place, old lady, she had only one cow. Give the milk. When Guru and disciple came, Narad Rishi and Krishna, there the old lady she thinking, how to serve serve to sadhu. She is having that is Dharasno Dudh. Dharasno Dudh, understand? Just milking the cows and give to Krishna and Narad Rishi. They drink. Then after a few minutes, they Guru and disciple leave that place. Then Narad Rishi asked, hey Krishna, tell to me, now what blessing to this old lady? She feed you milk. Then Narad Krishna told, I gave cars to the old lady. Your cow should be die. Then Narad Rishi, what kind of Guru? That rich person did not give any penny and kicked out from your house. If you gave blessing, what blessing? For the more you get wealth. And now she also feed you milk. And now give curse. Why? Well, Krishna told, hey, now this is listen. The old lady, she completely surrendered to me. Just a little bit attachment with her cow. So when she will give, when her cow will die, then she will give 100% attachment to me. So this is the Leela. Or if everybody said to go, your dad, your dog will die, you are happy or not? Next day you will not call to me. Understand? Even anybody will die or not. This is a sadhu will come your house or not, anybody will die. What will do? Death will come anytime. You cannot to conquer the death. Person, he went in that house, what is his ceremony? They become angry or not with you?
Yes.
Madan Gopal,
Yes. Crematório.
that relative, they become very angry.
Funeral.
They are thinking, oh, they are the cause of his death.
Yes.
Actually, they are no one the cause of your death.
Not possible.
You are the cause of his death or not? No. But they are thinking, mundane people thinking, oh, this Krishna consciousness, sadhus, they are the cause of my death. Death will come anytime. Come or not, today, tomorrow, day after, any time will come. You cannot conquer the death. Death is coming this way. But mundane people are thinking, oh, this sadhu, they are the cause of our death.
Misfortune. Our misfortune.
Our misfortune. So this is the thing. Mundane people, they can understand this. So for the Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami told this verse, Anugrahaya bhaktanang man jasanu anugrahnami horise tadhanai sanai. You learn this verse. What is saying? Jasanu anugrahami. Once who I give mercy, then slowly I will take his all attachment. But now will not take your attachment. So don't you worry. Now take this many things. Take wife, take children, take wealth, take money, everything. Krishna will give. Krishna give or not? Give Dhruva Maharaj or not? Prahlad Maharaj, Yudhishthira Maharaj, all they get wealth, money, wife, children or not? Tell to me. Now people are saying, oh, Krishna means me, maybe I'll do bhajan sadhana, maybe I lose my wealth, money, wife, children. Understand? Give, Krishna will give more. Take nice wife, nice son, nice daughter, wealth, money, take. Nice car will be coming. This is the procedure. So don't worry. If I do bhajan and sadhana, maybe I'll lose everything. Understand? Krishna will give. If you practice bhakti, everything will come. Bhakti sahisrata Bhagavan jadi sat Krishna murti mukti sang muktanjali sebuti asman dharma artha kama moksha samaya pratiksha. If you practice bhakti, everything will come also. Dharma artha kama moksha. Wealth, money, everything will automatically come. Nice prasad. Nice prasad will come or not?
Yes.
Yes. Look this. Everything will come. Good or not? Stay in temple. No need to do any work. Just lay down. Do bhajan, chant holy name. This is true. If you practice Suddha Bhakti, automatically come. Naradishi and the Mrigari, 9 o'clock. Naradishi and Mrigari. Naradishi told, hey Mrigari, chant the holy name and worship Tulasi. So then Mrigari become great devotee. Everybody bring many kinds of donation. Srimad Bhagavad Chaitanya Chaitanya saying or not?
Yes.
So, this is the thing. Practice bhakti. Bas this is the. Do bhajan and sadhana. Why not? If you are a householder or you are a renounced person, this is not subject. Do bhajan and sadhana. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Krishna will give and Krishna will take back. When time will take back, what will do? You did not bring anything. and his father chanting holy names, then dacoits enter in his house. Asked few days before, no, few months.
Few months ago.
He asked him. Nobody knows, he knows me. His father is chanting holy name. Then dacoit enter in the house.
Krishna was taken back. Krishna was taken back.
Take him back. So what will do? Understand? Krishna gives and Krishna take back. So what will do? So, he says me, I don't know. But his father did not tell me. So Krishna gives and Krishna takes. You understand? When you think this, then your mind will be never disturbed. Clear thing. What will do? So I was saying they do bhajan and sadhan, chant holy name, do bhajan and sadhan. They do. Krishna gives and Krishna will take. What will it? Understand or not?
Gurudeva. So there is not like it's not 100% sure, like you said. Like if you have tools in your house, you have Bhagavad Gita, no problem, no quarrel. If you're doing bhajan or sadhana, that's not like it means that problem not coming. Like if it comes, some bad thing.
Oh my God! Your problem, all your problem will be solved. You don't know how many types of sin, pap in your heart. But you keep Bhagavad Gita, Ganga, all your little bit, this life, little bit, Krishna, and give and remaining, understand? And Krishna taking taste, and the next life you will be completely free. You understand it? So don't become atheist.
Yeah, I know. His father was chanting, reading, worshipping Thakuraji, and something like this happened. I cannot understand this.
Icon is chanting, his father is chanting, holy name, the thing. Everything is coming. Listen, there are two ways. One is that Krishna is taking taste. Or second, maybe previous life you did, then now he's taking. You don't know. You understand?
Yes.
What do you understand? Not understand. Previous life you took some money, someone, now anyone is taking back.
Have to take back karma.
Karma is there. Two reasons is there. According to karma coming, and or Krishna taking taste. Tattenu kampang susamikcha mano. Learn this verse. You learn this verse or not? You learn this verse. Then your mind will be not disturbed. Tattenu kampang susamikcha mano. Bhunjana evatma krita vipakam. This is enough. First line. Student. Tattenu kampang. Or you think this is the mercy of Lord. When Lord is taking test for me. How much I faith with Guru and Krishna. Understand? Or another, you thinking according to my karma. And previous life we did karma, for this regard, this coming. Everything is actually karma this way. Two reasons you are saying. Brahmaji in this Stuti explained to him, Tattenu kampang. Oh my Lord, this is your mercy. And Tattenu kampang susamikcha manu bhunjana evatma krita vipakam. Here see krita vipakam. Meaning past life I did that karma, now is coming this way. Karma is going this way. Understand? So one day I told this story. And one person he came in the forest. So the mango trees, where ripened mango is there. Who saw the mango?
The eyes.
Eyes. Eyes cannot take the mango. First eyes see. But I cannot take the mangoes. Then his hand is going, with the hand pick up the mango. But the hand cannot eat. Eh? Then put the mouth. Eh? Understand? Mind cannot digest. Mind sent to the stomach. Eh? Understand? Who ate? Stomach. Eh? Look this thing. Achha. In the meantime, the owner of the mango tree, he says, hey, you also picked up my mango. So he beat him. Eh? Then beat him his back. So back is saying, I did not. Okay. Back is pain. But he going in where? Eh? Going there, eyes crying. When someone beat your back, who is crying? So karma is what? Which first karma is that? You understand or not? Who is shedding tears? Eyes. Because I did this karma, so now he's coming.
Where you start
this is coming back in this way. Understand this way? Another example I told. One manager of the company, he was sitting in his office. In the meantime, one crazy client came, just talked with manager. Then crazy client understand? He became very angry and he slapped the manager. Manager did not say anything, he calm and quiet. But something pain is there. Then manager, he turned back his home. Then his wife gives some things and speaks something. Then manager became angry and slapped his wife. Then wife, she did not say anything. Then wife entered in the room. Then her elder son is sitting there. Then speak something. Then wife slapped his elder son. Elder son did not say anything. His mother then came in outside. Then saw his younger brother is there. Then spoke something. Then he beat his younger brother. Younger brother did not say anything. Younger brother come out from the room. Then saw one dog is there. Then he become very angry and kicked the dog. Then dog will come and go run. In the meantime, one person passing by there the road. Then the dog bite to him. That person to go, why? Why did dog bite me? And I did not disturb this dog. Who disturbed this dog? That young children. So I did not disturb the dog. Why did dog bite me? Then that person, he asked to the one sadhu. Sadhu is Trikalagga. Trikalagga understand? Who knows past and future. He meditate. He go, okay. Actually, this is your karma coming from here. That you one day you slapped that the manager. That your karma coming in here. Karma coming anyway. Well, I told this story, but I spoke this story very quick. But this karma is coming different ways.
Lifetimes.
Understand? This type, this. So we are saying, oh, you are the cause of my distress or unhappiness. This is not. This is your karma creates these things. You understand? Karma is coming these.
How bhajan is sadhan free of karma? How bhajan is sadhan?
When tibra bhakti yogena, Srimad Bhagavad Gita says this, when tibra bhakti yogena, if you strong bhakti yoga, then your karma will destroy. But all karma will destroy not at a time. Ekadashi Vartini, Bahudasi Vartini, Praiki, Purna and Atantiki. Learn this philosophy, Tattva Siddhanta. Not one day all your karma will destroy. Or another things also, try to understand, Lord, He gives some karma to us. If I have not karma, we cannot live in this body. You understand? We are living in this body according our karma also. And Lord gives this karma for these 2 reasons. For your humility, your humbleness. Or second, you have to tolerance. Humbleness and tolerance. Then you pray to Lord. As saying the Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, Amara jivana sada pape rata nahi ka punne roleso porere udveg diyachi je koto diyachi jibero klesha. Coming or not? Humility will come. They know. This is the thing also. Are those who are pure devotee, all they are say lila also there. You cannot say their karma. Understand? Karma already your almost destroyed. You believe this way. When you receive Harinam, Namabhas coming, that time all your karma destroyed. Maybe just little bit karma, Lord, remains in your body. Otherwise you cannot do bhajan and sadhana. If you are not this karma, you cannot live this body. You understand or not? So for this regard, Lord create this. So now we are this karma. Ajamil just chant his son's name, all his and karma, everything destroyed. Faith need. Just one thing, you should not commit offense, Vaishnava aparad, Nama aparad, and 10 types of Nama aparad. Never criticize Sant Satang, Satang Ninda. Never dishonor to Guru. This is the process also. Otherwise, all your karma destroyed. There may be little bit karma is there. And Lord will give and arrange for you. And when you give up this body, then you attend to abode of Lord. And to develop the bhajan. Or if you committed offense, then you lose everything. Understand this? This is the process of. And one life, you have faith with holy names. Chant holy name. This is enough. But don't commit, criticize to Guru and Vaishnava. This is the chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare. 9 o'clock, chalo. Hare Rama, Rama Rama. All you are is almost achieve your perfection goal. Only 2 fingers. Understand? How far long to achieve your goal? Not very far. Only 2 fingers you get. Understand? Your endeavors and kripa. Do bhajan. Understand? So those who are coming in Krishna consciousness means millions birth, they perform bhajan and sadhana or worship to Lord Vasudev Krishna. Sato janmai japumano Vasudeva samarchet tan mukhe harinama tishtanti bharata. Adi Puran. Krishna told to Arjuna, not one life. You don't know your own glories. You have to tell your own glories. But we should not become popular.
Shishya Mahima.
Shishya Mahima. Shishya Ashtakali Lila. Write one book. Shishya Ashtakali Lila.
And Shishya Mahima.
Shishya Mahima. So this is true. And actually you type on faith. Naam Harinam. Naam Bhajan. No need to go here and there to be nonsense. Because in this material world many people also are. They have many kinds of their cheating propensity. Oi, listen or not? What did he say?
Should not have a duplicity or cheating propensity.
Not listening. Don't cheat. People are there, many people are. Cheating propensity. So I am saying this, chant holy names. Hari Naam, Naam is very powerful. Gaur Premanand. Acha chalo. Take Mahaprasad, then Hari Katha. Understand? Again Hari Katha what time? 11 o'clock, chalo. Take Mahaprasad, then
You said many times our karma is very written, how much wealth we will get in this life, right? From the previous karma we've done in our life before. So what is the borderline of working too hard and not working hard enough? Like you see some devotees they go, oh, everything is in Krishna's hands, so I don't work.
No need to work.
Maybe they take government benefits or like this, and then you have one extent maybe working too hard. So what is the...
Why doing too hard?
Well, maybe because they're trying to get the money, right? Even enough to pay bills, but they're working...
Why do you do enough? Why do you hard work today?
Some people maybe they work so hard, right? Maybe about 15 hours a day, but they only...
Why do you work 15 hours? Why? Why do you work 15 hours?
Try and cover enough money, bills or costs, or even to serve Guru Vaishnava to
get enough money.
Are you come, give up everything, come to me, no need to work. This is what we work. You cannot give up these things. So do work. Actually, you are not doing. Try to understand. Maya's 3 gunas, they also force to you. Kama istaste hitak jnana prapadanti anna devata. Many kinds of desires in your heart. For this regard, I do this. Sattva raja tama guna. Maya's gunas, they also force to you. You are not doing hard work. Maya's 3 gunas. You understand? They force to you. And kena baladapi niyojito. Arjuna asked this question. Who forced me to perform these things? And kamo eso, krodho eso, rajoguna samudbhava. Bhagavad Gita. Read Bhagavad Gita. And Krishna says, and in your heart, that is called Sattva Raja Tamagun, they forced you. They forced you do this karma, so do this way. Now you are completely hard. What is called? Perfect.
Like a puppet.
Like a puppet. So Maya Devi's 3 gunas by force doing this one. Sattva Raja Tamagun, they are doing in this way. But when you give up these things, then Maya Devi will not do anything. Understand? This is the thing. Now you are trying. You have many bills. You are saying, why these bills is coming? From where? You tell to me. This is the thing. When you complete surrender, then. But you cannot at a time completely surrender. Step by step. Understand this? You cannot give up everything. अनेक कोटि जन्मेर यदि হয় सुकृति तबे से विषय छड़िया से হয় से वैरागी चैतन्य भागवत वृंदावन दास millions birth your sukriti, then you detach from the material sense gratifications. This is the process also. You cannot give up at a time all your attachment. Give up or not? No, you cannot give up your attachment, your business or these things. 1,000 times you give up or not? No. When your sukriti will mature, this is the thing. Everybody knows this is good, this is bad. And do you know or not? Sometimes when you tire of your business, that they go, I give up the business, they useless. Or when you get the more profit, They are not saying that. Well, more and more. Investment. Huh? That time what you are doing? What is it called? Those are, what is that doing? The money they are doing? Investment, what is it called?
Stock market.
Stock market. Oh, made more. Then, after sometimes, you lose everything also. Stupid nonsense. And create this the greed. This is called his word. As like Yudhishthira Maharaj told these things. Yeah, I lose everything for these things also. Showing this Leela. Understand? So for the reason is coming. Why Yudhishthira Maharaj he did not call to Krishna in that the what is that? Dice game. Why? Yudhishthira Maharaj he performed all his activities and asked to Krishna. But when you are dice game, you understand? So I did not call to Krishna. He forget. You understand? So for this regard, Krishna become very angry. You always calling to me. And where inauguration, Hastinapur, what is it called? Khandaprastha. So, every time you call to me. But when you dice game, why did you not call to me? Yudhishthira asked or not? Yudhishthira Maharaj he did not ask to Krishna. He forgot everything. Doing this Leela. If Krishna would in that dice game, what is it called? Dice game. Nothing happened. Not Mahabharata coming, no Gita, nothing coming. So showing this Leela also. Draupadi she also asked to Yudhishthira Maharaj, why did you put me in the dice game to me? I am not your property. Wife is not husband property. Understand? So why did you put me in the dice game? Yudhishthira Maharaj gave or not? Okay, I am giving the wife. Is this dice game? Last day he gave or not? So wife is not the property to the dice. They will do this. So that time Draupadi she asked Yudhishthira Maharaj, so why do you do this? That time Yudhishthira Maharaj he told, hey Draupadi, this is not my fault. I completely surrender to Krishna. What is Krishna giving my mind? I am doing this way. Actually this is true. So for this regard Yudhishthira Maharaj he told, hey Draupadi, when Ramchandra he was chasing behind to the Marich, the deer. You know this Leela? What do you not running? Tell to him that the Leela of how that is called golden deer. Ramchandra he was chasing behind the golden. Ramchandra he knows or not? The deer will be never gold. This is true. Ramchandra he knows or not? He is Bhagavan. He knows everything. But why he is chasing behind to the golden deer? I will tell you. This is the Leela. Same Yudhishthira Maharaj he told, hey Draupadi, this is not my fault. Everything I completely surrendered to Krishna. Krishna is doing this way, so I am doing this way. So those who are high class, exalted, what is called? Devotee, surrender soul, what they are doing? They are not doing anything. Everything performed by Lord. Understand? This is the process also. You understand or not? Understand good or not understand not good also. Then again listen. So you understand. You are pure devotee or conditional soul? Which are you? You understand tell? Conditional soul. So, Maya Devi now doing this way. But slowly coming Krishna consciousness, now listening. So this way. Slowly do this way. And Krishna, every day read Bhagavad Gita, all your question and all your problem will be solved. You read Bhagavad Gita. No need to others Grantha. First read Gita. Tasma Sastra Pramanam Te Karjo Akarjo Vyavastito. What you will do, what not you will do, everything prescribed in Shastra. This is true. So you read Bhagavad Gita. Without reading Bhagavad Gita, your mind will be never fixed. Read or not? Every day read Bhagavad Gita. Gita mein hidayam parthan. Gita is very powerful. Because you are a human being. Lord gives you discrimination power. Vichar Shakti heaven. Discrimination power. What is good, what is bad. Understand? You are saying, I have many bills. How many bills have you? Because you are creating, so the bills are coming. And understand, you have 100 pens, so you have 100 pens bill you have given or not? He has one pen, so one bill, less bill coming. He has no pen, I have no pen, no bills coming. See that? Boats coming.
Mahabharata will start.
Yeah. Hari chalo. Oh, this one. Very close to us. Take photo. I like. Oh, good or not? They come very close, Take the photo.
That place you can see. This travel ship. Like they made like 1,000 people take travel 1 week.
Jatri Bahi. And public transport.
There's that small boat guiding to attract, like you said, like a and the big one just fall.
So all come here. All come here.
Take picture.
Then you see you are on the inside the boat.
Ô Alit, quer me ajudar? Segura a câmera? Ou você vai ser na foto? Você quer me ajudar a segurar?
Tem que filmar?
Só segurar.
Só tem que filmar.
Você não quer filmar?
Não.
Todo mundo pra tirar foto.
Você fica só com o
Mano, quero ver o navio.
Quick, I think boat will go. Tá respondendo.
Minha mãe vai tirar de 10. Abre 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vezes 3 é 1. Mano, é muito. Tem outro lado. Isso aqui também tem a parte de baixo aqui, os cortes mais chiques.
Two in front. Yeah. But this is from here, this is local. This gives the permission and they. Yeah, they control. Panama.